Hello, welcome to Financial Freedom channel. In this video, we will be discussing the trade setup for today, that is 23rd of February 2021. As always, we will be discussing the option chain data and follow that up with the FIA and DII activity in the yesterday's trading session. And then we will have a slight look at the chart for Nifty just to see how are the charts lined up for today's trade. Well, when we see the option chain data, we can see that the maximum call open interest is at 15,000 level. So 15,000 will act as a huge resistance for the market in the coming few days. And then when we see the put interest data, maximum put open interest is at 14,500. So we can safely assume that 14,700 or 14,500 will not be breached in the few trading sessions. Even 14,700 has seen a good amount of open interest addition, that is 25,976. As we speak now, the SGS Nifty is trading around 14,800, and you never know whether this level will be sold off. It's just like yesterday, where the market made a high and then it sold off 100 points from the top. We'll have to wait and watch for that. Well, when we see the increase in open interest, 15,000 saw a huge addition of calls, and 15,000 again saw a huge deletion of call of put open interest. So this gives us an indication that 15,000 will be a huge resistance for the market in the coming few days. Well, talking about the FIA and DII activity, yesterday the main reason why the market sold off was both FIA and DII were net sellers yesterday. FIA sold for 893 crores, whereas DII sold for 919 crores in the yesterday's trade. Well, and when we see the open positions of FIS and DIS, so it is a usual story. We can see that FIS are slightly more long in the index, that is 64%, as opposed to yesterday's 61%, whereas DII are long only by 2%. So we can assume that the story which has played out in the few months lately will play out today as well, and that is FIs would be the net buyers and DIs would be the net sellers. So that was all about the data formation for today, and based on the data we can say that 15,000 would be important resistance level, and on the downside we can say 14,700. So based on this data, 14,700 to 15,000 could be the range that we have to look forward to in today's trade. Well, going to the chart, this is the Nifty 15 minutes chart for today, and we can see the market is in a continuous downtrend as of now. So technically it is always good to sell and make money in this kind of a market. If we sell in this market, the stops would be the major high lows. In this case it is 14,752, this is one major high low. 14,900 would be one major high low, and 15,000, this would be the most important levels. If these levels are broken, then definitely you have to go out of the short trades. If you are what would be the target if you are going for a short trade? So if we can safely assume that this 14,400 or 14,500 could be the target if the market goes down here. Well, and if we want to take a contrarian trade, that is if you want to take a long trade in this kind of a market, then you have to trade with a strict stop loss, and the range for today as per the chart is also coming to 14,500 to around 14,900. So that's all for today. So thank you for watching. We'll be back tomorrow looking at the trade setup for tomorrow's trade. Thank you for watching.